Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Fitu's Thai Kitchen. So today we're going to be continuing our drink series and we'll be using the flower from a plant called roselle. Okay, now that's the common name. The scientific name is Hibiscus Sabdariffa. Now this plant can be found all around the world. Asia, Africa, South America, the Caribbean, even parts of the Med. It's used in something of a similar way. There's a lot of tea infusions. In Asia it's used sometimes in the cooking. But today we're going to be focusing on the Thai version. And in Thailand it's called Krajiab. Okay, and it's actually a relative of okra. So this flour, when you use it in this manner, can help with hypertension, high blood fat levels, high blood sugar, depression, and so altogether, it's that's pretty good effect. You can have it sweetened or unsweetened, hot or cold. It's got a tart flavour. So for our version, we're going to be adding some brown sugar. All right. Now this is dried. I think you pretty much can only get a dried version. So this is the flour. I'll also put a picture up here to show you the flour, some information on it. You may notice that this says sorrel on here. I think this is what this plant is called in the Caribbean. All right, so be aware this plant has a lot of different names, and the problem with that is that in some countries, in other countries, that name might be a different plant. So if in doubt, go for Hibiscus Sabdariffa and you'll be all right. Okay. I don't want you getting the wrong flower. Okay. Let me see if I can find one. Oh, here we go. So that's the flower bud. It looks fairly nondescript, I'll be honest, when it's dried, but when you see it fresh, wow, it's quite an interesting looking flower actually. But anyway, so yeah, you can pick this up in a lot of health food shops, online, as usual. Asian supermarkets usually will have it, differing grades of quality. And what you're going to do, it's very simple. We're gonna boil this. We're going to sweeten, and we're going to drain it, and add it to ice. So it's very easy. All right. So let's get started. Alright guys, so here we've got 5 litres of somewhat boiling water, and we're going to put in 30 grams of the roselle flowers. Alright. Okay, so here we go. Alright, we're going to boil this for about 15 minutes. But it's going to be not a hard boil. You can see this water's starting to change colour already. Alright guys, so as you can see, looking nice and dark now. Oh, it smells good too. It's got a kind of I get kind of a lemony kind of smell from it. So we've got a little cheesecloth handy and a little receptacle. Put this in. Okay guys, so this is still steaming hot. Now we're going to add some sugar. As I said before, you can drink this unsweetened, but for myself, because this comes out a bit tart, it's nice to balance that flavor. Don't forget, this is going to be drunk with ice, and this is 5 liters of water. Do that good mix and let it cool down. Alright, and just give it a taste. Okay, I think that's good enough. Look at the colour of that, eh? Oh, that's good. Okay, so we're just giving that a mix. I'm just gonna leave this to cool down. Alright, so I've got my ice ready. I'm gonna fill this up. Oh, it looks good. It smells really nice. So, here we are, Nam Krajiab. Oh, wow. That's good. Look at the colour of it. Doesn't that look amazing? It's like Vimto or something. It still smells tart, like raspberry. But the flavour is, I love it. It's one of my favourite drinks. So, that's it for this week. Enjoy the recipe. And we're going to be dropping a few more videos over the next few days. Some will be a bit different. We're experimenting a little with the types of videos that we're doing and trying to expand our playlist. And so if you've got any ideas for the types of videos you'd like to see, then just drop us a line. But yeah, that's it. Enjoy, take care, and we'll see you next time. Thanks. Oh, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. It really helps. Thanks. Bye.